Hello friends, welcome to NaniCodes. Today's daily Leetcode challenge question is increasing triplet subsequence. It is a medium level question. Okay, let's discuss the question briefly. Here, given an integer array nums, return true if there exists a triple indices ijk such that I is less than j and less than k, and the next condition also is nums of I should be less than nums of j, and nums of j should be less than nums of k. We should just return false if there is no such condition exist. So we'll discuss the example using whiteboard, and we'll discuss the algorithm over there only. Okay, these examples given in a question 1 2 3 4 5, and these three examples. So here there exists a triplet which follows those two conditions: I should be less than j and j should be less than k, and nums of I should be less than nums of j and nums of j should be less than nums of k. Therefore the triplets here are 1 2 3 is one triplet, and 2 3 4 is another triplet, and 3 4 5 is also another triplet. Therefore there exists a triplet in this example. Therefore we return true. And we come for next example 215046. Here 215 doesn't make a triplet, 150 doesn't make a triplet, so we'll check 504 doesn't make a triplet. Now here 046 which make a triplet following those two conditions. Therefore we should return true. And we come for next example 54321. Here 543 doesn't make a triplet, 432 doesn't make a triplet, 321 no doesn't make a triplet. Therefore we just return false here. Okay, we'll discuss the algorithm taking the second example. Here this is example 215046 is a given nums array. First, here we assign two variables, max1 and max2, max1 and max2, with the max value of an integer. Integer's max value should be assigned to these two variables, max1 and max2. Now we will check if the given number in the array, that is now nums of 0 should be okay. Now we'll iterate the whole array and we'll check these two conditions. Okay, first condition is if nums of I is less than or equal to max 1, then we should update the max 1 with the value of nums of I. The value of nums of I. Like that. So we'll iterate this array. So now nums of I equal to 2. It is obviously less than or equal to max integer value. So we'll update max 1 with value 2. Okay. Now we'll go for next iteration. Now nums of I equal to this I first for first iteration. Now we'll go for 1. Now nums of I equal to 1. It's less than maximum value. Max value is now with 2. Now we'll the condition is true. Therefore we'll update max 1 with 1. One second, we'll erase this. Okay. Now max 1 is max 1 contains now with value 1. Okay. Now we'll go for next iteration. Now nums I is equal to 5. This condition is false. For the this condition doesn't hold now. Now we'll go for next condition. This condition may be true for this iteration because max 2 contains the maximum value of integer till now. Now we'll check for 5. Yes, it's 5 is less than maximum value. Therefore we just update nums of now we update maximum value to with 5. For next iteration, nums of I is equal to 0. The first condition here itself holds true. Therefore, max 1 is now updated with value 0. Now for next iteration, nums of I is equal to 4. First condition is false for here. Next condition is true, holds true. Therefore, 5 is updated. Max 2 is updated with 4. Now for next iteration, nums of I equal to 6. Here the first condition also false for the value 6, and second condition also doesn't hold. Therefore, we'll come for else statement, and just we need to return true. Here we done this because the maximum value, max 1 in the given algorithm holds the least value in the given integer array, and max 2 holds the least second value in the given integer array. And if there exists another value which is greater than max 1 and max 2, and if it also satisfies the condition I less than j less than k, therefore then we'll come for else statement, and we just return true here. If it doesn't hold, if there is no such integer which is greater than 0, 4, okay, let's analyze this example. Okay, if this is the case, if this is the given integer array, then we doesn't get into the else statement, so we'll just return false here. For the given example, the answer would be false. So let's analyze the code now. Okay, first we declared a value k, boolean value k with false, and nums length with n. And as we discussed in the algorithm, max 1 will be equal to maximum value of integers, and max 2 is also equal to maximum value of integers. We'll just iterating from 0 to n here. If we encounter any value with less than maximum 1, we just update maximum 1. If the condition doesn't hold, we'll just come for else if loop, else if condition. If there exists a number which is greater than max 1 and max 2 also, then we'll come for else statement, and we just return the not value of k. That is, here first we declared the k with value false. Now we'll return value true. If no such conditions are evaluated, then we just come out of the loop and we return the value false, which is previously declared for k. Please do consider like, share and subscribe.